I love being able to go on my hikes and having a set of really powerful binoculars to enjoy the birds that are at the end of my hike or along my hike, for that matter. These right here, these are the Sogries 20x binoculars. Really easy to use. You have this adjustment here. You can adjust this right here, depending on your eyes. This adjustment here, that adjustment there. I don't want to get into too much detail, but having a set of really powerful binoculars is almost a necessity when going on hikes. So great product.